Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to look at the round function, the round up, the round down and the mround functions. So let's get started. The dataset presented here has the script code, the company name and the profit earned by various companies. So we are going to extract the round up, round down and the mround from these values. So if you notice, the numbers here are with decimal values. So I only want to see the whole numbers without any decimal value. So how can I do that? Is using the round function. So all you need to do is start with an equal to symbol, write in the formula equal to round, selected by hitting the tab key. Now it asks for the arguments, that is the number that you want to round, and the second argument is the number of digits to which you want to round. So first I enter the number I want to round, and for now I insert 0 digits. So I type in 0, close the parentheses, press enter. And that gives me a whole number without any decimal places. Similarly, if you want to round up, that is, you want to round a digit above the decimal point, what you can do is use the function equal to round up. It also has two arguments, the number and the number of digits. So you can key in the number. And for now, let's enter the number of digits as 0. Close the parentheses, press enter. So you can see it has rounded up by 1 digit. Similarly, if you want to round down, you can use the function equal to round down, selected by hitting the tab key. It also has two arguments, the number and the number of digits. So you can key in the number, comma, let us insert the number of digits as 0. Close the parentheses, press enter. So it rounds down to the nearest digit. The next function we have is the mround function. So mround basically returns a number nearest to the desired multiple. Let me show you how. So I write the formula equal to mround, and it has two arguments, the number and the multiple. So I select the number, comma, I select the multiple as 5 because I want it to round to the multiple of 5. So I write in that, close the parenthesis, press enter. So you can see it has rounded to the nearest multiple of 5. Now let me show you the second argument in more clear manner. So I again write equal to round, enter the number, comma, let me enter the number of digits as 1 and close the parentheses, press enter. So you can see it has returned me 1 decimal place. So it has rounded off to 1 decimal place and returned me the number. Similarly, if you want to round up by 1 decimal, you can use the function round up. Insert the number, comma, the number of digit as 1, close the parentheses, press enter. So it again rounds up by 1 number. Let's see how does it round down. So I type in the formula equal to round down. Select the number, comma, the number of digit as 1, close the parentheses, press enter. So you can see it had rounded down by 1 digit and hence returned only the whole number. Similarly to mround, equal to mround, and I want to round this number to the nearest multiple of 5. So I type in the number 5, close the parentheses, press enter. So it returns me the whole number representing the nearest multiple of 5. So you can just double click on the right corner of the cell to fill down the formula in all other cells. So this is all about the round, round up, round down and the mround functions in Excel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.